So we are back with the match 2 of our daily customs. This is the day 7, and the match 2 is officially beginning right now, and we have 77 players joining us today in the match 2. The map is Weekendy, so we'll be seeing some extreme fights going on in this map, because this map is a mixture of Sanhok and Miramar. It is kind of small map like Sanhok, and it is very open and ridges. This match has a lot of ridges like Miramar, so we'll be seeing some Miramar action, like the ridge actions which usually happen in Miramar. We'll be seeing in Weekendy as well, and a lot of gunfights will be going on. The match will be starting in 10 seconds. Let's take a look at the playing path real quick. There we go. So the playing path is from Dobromestro to Winery, or I say Cantra. So it's diagonal, it's a left diagonal, so we'll be seeing a lot of players in the eastern part, northeastern part of the map. So let's see where all the players are going. So I can see a lot of players have already jumped off the plane, and I think they will be landing in the northwest part, like I said before. I can see some players going for Port Zabava coal mine, and I think there will be some squads in Cosmodrome, and Villa is the hot drop, so maybe we won't be seeing some squads there, or maybe we will. There are some players who are holding Vihar. We are like team number 10 and team number 9, so we'll be seeing some early fights between them. And we have team number 15, I think they are going for the Winery, and team number 11, I think they are going for the Cantra or Hot Springs. Team number 19 were kind of close to team number 16, so we could have seen a fight between them, but I think team number 19 have decided to move, because I think they will be playing for the position, because in the first match their gameplay was not quite really good. And team number 18 versus team number 17 will be going on in Villa. So Villa, as I said before, is a hot drop, so I think the players have decided to land there, like team number 18 and 17. The team number 17 are looting in the Villa, the main building of Villa, and team number 18 are looting the outskirts of the Villa. So team number 17 is a trio team, so I think there will be some disadvantage for them, but team number 18 looks strong right now. I don't think they have found enough loot, so I think team number 17 will be pushing them really soon. And we can see some fights in cement factory as well, between team number 20 and team number 24. Team number 20 have found themselves some decent loot, like an Uzi and a Thompson. The thing of this map is, this map you can only find a lot of SMGs. Finding an assault rifle is like a miracle, and you have to be very lucky if you find a assault rifle in the early stage of the map. And we can also find some sniper rifles there as well, because this map also is good for sniping, because it's kind of open, so there is no cover to hide. But the fight is going on between team number 24 and 20. I think there were shots coming from DP Mutant there. He has already spotted a player, and we can see team number 9 versus team number 10 in Vihar. And team number 9, actually Spicyle have found himself a G36. I think he will be having some advantage over team number 10 if they don't have any assault rifle. So team number 24 have knocked out a player of team number 20. Mystic Alpha was knocked out. Mystic Atma was also knocked out by DP Mutant here. Two players of team number 20 are still alive, which is Hawk Phoenix and Sorak Riku, I think. Yes, Sorak Riku knocked out DP Mutant with the UMP 45. He will be finishing. He also knocked out Hellstorm there, so I think he won't be finishing out the player right now. NSG round comes in and knocks out the player Sovaronic, I think. The only player left right now is Hawk Phoenix, and he was going in the building, but he was eliminated by NXG Ron there. Amazing gameplay by team number 24 there. And team number 18 versus team number 17 is currently going on. Alpha Sume was knocked out. Team number 17 player looking strong here. And team number 17 Hard Devil knocked out another player. They finished off a player of team number 18 there. So I think team number 18 are now down to only 2 players. I think one of the players is knocked out. Alpha Saint, the only player who is standing for his team. He has an AKM. I don't think he have any. Yes, he don't have any helmet. So he's kind of like in a one-shot situation here. Hard Devil moved the position of Alpha Saint, but he was knocked out by Alpha Saint. Alpha Saint will be finishing Hard Devil there. The Hard Vishu revived the other player, Hydra Karan, I think that's the name. Alpha Saint blew off the gas there. So it was kind of like an amazing strategy coming right up from team number 18 Alpha Saint. He is kind of falling back. I think he will be rotating to revive his teammate, but I don't think he can revive his teammate because he is also half HP and there are also 2 players there. Hard Vishu have, I think he have spotted Alpha Saint. Alpha Saint, I think he is trying to will be trying to revive his teammate, but it's kind of not possible for him. Alpha Gary will be dying, I think, anytime soon right now. He is really low HP, so there is no chance for Alpha Gary to survive now. So Alpha Saint will be, I think he will be doing the 1v2 here. 2 players of team number 17 actually they know the position of team number 18 player Alpha Saint, so they will be pushing him. Hydra Karan is taking the TPP, but he was not aware of the player Alpha Saint there. Alpha Saint spray knocked out Hard Vishu, but Hydra Karan got him with the G3. Team number 25 versus team number 20. Team number 25 versus team number 8 going on in near Goroka. Team number 8 is kind of holding the compound above Goroka. I think they have now got the call. I can see only 3 players of team number 25 here. Where is the other player? Okay, King Proxy is kind of far away from all his teammates, so it's better for him to move right now because his team might be needing him right now. But it's already a very strong team, so I think King Proxy I think won't be bothering to help his teammate right now. But never mind, let's see. There were sprays coming in from, I think, Cyber Ash. Cyber Ash is quite in the open. King Rocco spotted Cyber Ash, but despite Cyber Ash tried to prone down and save himself, but he was knocked out. There were sprays coming from Kingsman Whitey to King RDX, but he got the cover. King Rocco will be pushing right now. The Jihad player is there. He is also getting knocked out by King Rocco there. Team number 8 player Aisa Samudro spray coming in to from Aisa Samudro to King Proxy there. I think they knocked out King RDX, but he will be getting the revived. Last player Aisa Samudro is really out in the open. King Rocco, amazing spray from King Rocco, eliminated the last player of team number 8 SR Samudro. Amazing gameplay coming up from team number 25. Let's see. I think the fight between team number 10 and 9 have started. Team number 10 are duo players, so I think they have kind of disadvantage, and team number 9 are trio players. Spy Sahil will be rushing on Eon Ron. Eon Ron was behind the wall, but amazing reflex from Spy Sahil there. He knocked out Eon Ron. Amazing spray coming in from Spy Sahil there. He will be taking the TPP. Eon Smokey with the Uzi knocked out Spy Sahil. Never mind, he was already low HP. Eon Smokey, last player, team number 9, Karkot. He finished off Eon Smokey. The players will be giving the revive of team number 9 to the players now, and they will be healing up and then moving in the zone. So team number 23 versus team number 19 going on here. PDX Ash in the lower room. Rush Prabhakar, amazing nade knocked out PDX Ash there. PDX now only down to 2 players, Faraz and Syed, and I think Faraz and Syed will be holding the above floor, the first floor. I don't think a team agent knows about the location, but I think team number 19 players, Faraz and Syed, might have given them the position. They will be throwing some throwables to finish, at least knock a player so they can rush because they know the players are camping there. PDX Faraz have a PP Bison and PDX Sayyed have a G36, so they kind of have really low, low rating weapons here. So I don't think they will be winning this fight against team number 23. Some smokes bait are coming in. I think they know about it, that it is a smoke, so they won't be moving right now. Raj Prabhakar is taking the TPP behind the door of the other room. I don't think PDX Faraz knows about the location there. I think PDX Sayyed is giving some random spray because I think he thinks that there are player approaching them, but currently they are not. Raj Prabhakar trying to get an angle or trying to spot a player there, but the team number 19 players are kind of holding in the edge, in the corner of the room. Agent Toxic knocked out PDX Faraz. He ledge grabbed there. I think he used the ledge grab technique. He was on the roof there. Only one player of PDX is still alive, which is King. I mean PDX Sayyed. I think he will be getting eliminated soon. We can see some player rotating in Podvosto. They are quite near Podvosto actually. Team number 13, only solo player. I don't think team number 6 players have spotted him, so they won't be killing him currently. So team number 13 is only solo player, so he won't be taking any fight. Meanwhile, the airdrops are coming in. Team number 17 will be looting the airdrop. HG rules are there. Team HG is in the Podvosto area. I think they will be holding Podvosto. Raj Prabhakar knocked out, finished the last player, PDX Sayyed. So team number 19 has been eliminated by team number 23. There were fights going on. I think NXG Ron was knocked out by ISX Clown YT, and he was also finished. DP Mutant has a Kar 98 and he is kind of sniping the players there. We have 4 teams here, team number 15, 17, 12 and I think 24. 24 team is on the other side. GSMIT was finished by team number 17 players here. I think the car was blown, the mini car, which has a really low hit point. You can finish him, blow the car with only one magazine. It's really not durable. So whenever you are playing Weekendy, I would really recommend you not to use that vehicle because it's really bad. You can really die with one magazine spray if all the bullets connect on the vehicle. Even though if not all the bullets connect on the vehicle is just going to blow up with I think 27 or 28 bullets of AKM or M4 I think. So it's really have a low HP. Team number 7 player was knocked out by DP Mutant with the Kar 98. ISX Clown YT was knocked out. I think the team number 24 players will be pushing team number 7 there. So team number 24 player DP Mutant is trying to take an angle to team number 7 so they can knock another player out. So we can also see team number 12 kind of close. I don't think they were close to them, but I can see them on the ground option, so I think they were quite close. Yeah, they can actually spot them if they look across the Podvosto bridge. They can spot team number 7 players there. Team number 7 on also team number 24 players. IG rules, I think team number 17 versus 15 will be taking some time because the team number 17 players, 2 players are 1 HP here. So I think team number 13 will be pushing them. I mean team number 15 will be pushing them. Team HG, random spray was coming in from team number 15. HG rules knocked another player of team number 17. 1 player is healing up and 2 players will be sandwiching the players of team number 17. They are prone now, so they won't be taking any kind of damage there. But Heart Issue is out in the open. HG Noni was knocked out by Heart Issue. I think he will be trying to finish him, but HG bit to amazing cover. He managed to save his teammate there. HG Noni will be getting the revive. Team number 9 versus team number 6 going on here. I think team number 9 were kind of close to a drop, so they have looted a drop. I think the flare drop. Let's see. Team number 6 player FT, I think have rotated right, and I think Spy Sahil knows about the location of the two players there. Play coming in from Spy Sahil knocked a player. FT Diablo was knocked out. He will be reloading the M249 because M249 is on a really low magazine now, only 39 bullets, so it's better for him to reload. Karkot can actually help his teammate because he was getting shot from the right. He could have fired him, but I think he didn't had the angle there. Team number 23 player was eliminated by team number 5, who I think was camping in this compound, small compound here. 2 players were knocked out, but they will be getting the revive. Spy Sahil was finished off. The last player is also finished, so team number 6 have won the fight against team number 9. Team number 25 will be approaching team number 6 right now, so we will be seeing a fight again between team number 6 and team number 25. Team number 25 players, I think they have spotted them, the Kings. Players of team number 24 are crossing the bridge right now. Only one player, I think he is kind of close to team number 12. Hellstorm, I think he has spotted a player. Nabin, yes, he was in the window, so he might have spotted him. Hellstorm is approaching team number 12. He peeked, but there was nobody there, so I think they will be kind of holding right now. One player, I think Sunny Gupta, was knocked out. FT players are getting thrown. NXG Trigger OP with the MK14. Amazing spray coming in from NXG Trigger OP. One player was flanking from the other end of the wall, but he will be getting knocked out because it's MK14. You cannot just stand with the MK14, the power of MK14. Nabin is the only player of the team, and he don't have any first aid kit, so he will be using the bandages there. But never mind, DP Mutant have already spotted him. The last player will be getting killed right now. Yes, he gets killed by, I think, NXG Trigger. King Rocco, a spray coming in from King Rocco. He finished FT Diablo. Team number 6 in a really critical situation right now. Varun will be reviving his player, FT Varun. Rogue Nimbus, it's better for them to revive the players. It will be giving them some advantage. King RDX have made the advancements to the players. One of the players have MK14, I think, so King RDX should be careful about that. Some spray advantage was coming in from King Poxy there. He was covering his player. RDX knocked out FT Varun. Amazing spray. The powerhouse of the team, King RDX, have knocked out FT Varun there. King RDX pushed and he killed the other player. Rogue Nimbus was also killed by King RDX there. Amazing play by Kings here. Truly great third party here, I would say. They did the third party because the fight was going on between team number 6 and 9, so they did a really good job by doing the third party. King RDX, like I said before, he have really good firepower, so he used his firepower and he managed to get the 2 of the players there. Team number 15 players have spotted team number 24, I think, so we will be seeing some fight between them. And team number 11 players are also kind of close. 2 players are also out in the open. DP Mutant, I think he knocked a player. I think HG Rules there with the Kar98. He will be now moving in the zone because they are out in the zone. They have to move in the zone because they won't be taking a lot of zone damage here. Rules will be getting the revive. They are also in the zone, so they don't need to move right now. So we are now down to 32 alive and only 9 teams left. So we can see team number 7 players. I think they are rotating. I can also see team number 24 players kind of close to team number 7 players there. Because the team number 24 have decided to rotate kind of right from where they were. And the team number 24, I think they will spot the players now. I think team number 7 players might have heard the car sound. So they will be now looking at the players there. Now they have heard it. ISX Clownwadi with the M24. He also has a suppressor attached. NXG Trigger OP knocked out IGN Freakex. ISX Clownwadi He was literally 1 HP NXG Digger. I think he got body tag, not head tag, or he would have been knocked out there. So Isaac Clown YT, he kind of missed the shot of his M24 there. IGN Freaks have got the revive, and I think the players have started the fight. They are kind of closing in. So, but we can still see some sniper actions coming from IGN Freak, and I think ISX Clown YT will be sniping as well. Dot Dugopi killed King Rocco with the vehicle explosion. Dot Dugopi also killed FXG Reaper with the vehicle explosion. So team number 25 is now getting a disadvantage right now, and they are now down to 2 players there, King Proxy and King RDX. So okay, now we can see some really good fight between two really good teams like team number 22, but team number 25 have some disadvantage here because there are only 2 players. But never mind, it's a game, these things happens here. I think team number 20 players are not taking, I mean 22 players are not taking the fight. King Proxy was stacked while he was taking the Dacia, driving the Dacia actually. Dordo Gopi and 2 players, I think they will be rotating right now. 3 players actually, they will be rotating. I don't think they will be taking the fight because they are also kind of in out of the zone. No, Neville OP with some spray there. I don't think he connected any of his bullets. So the teams will be moving in the zone. Dot and Kuropi was getting sprayed for team of 4 players. Unique Rage knocked out Dot on Kuropi. There are also some fights going on between some other teams, but we'll be seeing this one. Dot and Kuropi, I think he won't be getting any revive, and I think they will finish him. Unique Zeus taking the TPP. I think they know about the players behind the compounds there. Unique Freak YT, I can see he have only SMGs, so I think he will be using SMG like MP5K, and he also has a Uzi. King Proxy knocked out not Reshik there, so I think there's fight going on between team number 25 and team number 5. Amazing drive through was coming from team number 7 there. King RDX was 1 HP there, but amazing gameplay by King RDX there. He prone and knocked a player of team number 7. King RDX, really good gameplay. He is truly amazing. Really good strategy gameplay coming from King RDX. He will be using smoke to build a smoke wall, and then he will be reviving King Proxy there. So really good really good save by King RDX there. I thought team number 25 will be eliminated right then. Dot Dugopi is also knocked out. 2 players of team Dot are knocked out. Dugopi and Ankur. 2 players are still standing. Neville OP and I think Neville OP and Unique is standing, I think. Yes, Unique OP, he is also in kind of 75% health, and Dot Neville, I think they knocked a player, but he will be getting the revive. Zone 5 is shrinking right now. It will be doing a lot of damage, so player have to move in the zone quickly so that they cannot get knocked out of the zone. There is place coming in from Dot Neville OP. He tagged Unique Freak YT there. I think it's better for team number 22 to move right now because the zone will be doing a lot of damage, and I don't think they have a lot of meds. So let's see what is going on. Unique Zeus, yes, team number 4 have decided not to take the fight, and they have decided to move in the zone. They are also low on meds, so it's better for them to move right now. 3 players have set in the car. Unique Freak, they are leaving the player Unique Freak YT there. I think Unique Freak YT was too busy taking the fight, but he is also giving disadvantage to the opponent team. So Unique Freak YT is doing a really great job here. He is trying to eliminate a really good team, and it can also help his team for the victory if this team gets eliminated. But there are also few good teams like team number 13 HG, team number 15 HG I mean, and team number 24, yes, NXG players, Dot, Ankur, OP, I mean, Nevelope was knocked out of the play zone. I think was finished. I think Freak Whitey will be dying out in the play zone as well. So there's fight going on. I think fight will be going on between team number 7 and 15 here, because team number 7 players are kind of approaching team number 15, which are holding in the compound which are holding a compound there. HG Noni with the amazing spray. I think he tagged a player of team number 17. Team number 17, I can only see 3 players. I think they lost a player in a fight or something. King RDX and King Proxy are now moving. They are not taking any kind of fights right now. It's better for them. They are kind of playing for the better position, not ending up in #7. HG Rules was knocked out. HG Rules knocked out and finished a player there. The kill feed is Zen. And HG Noni, one player was of team number 5, was killed by the third party. He was on the ridge of team number 24 there. But another third party, I would say fourth party, coming in from team number 7 there, and they actually know the players of HG are knocked out, so they will be pushing right now without any hesitation. HG Noni is the only player standing for the team number 15, and I think team number 15 will be getting eliminated anytime soon, because they have a disadvantage. HG Noni, I think he is kind of coming back, and also he will be divided with another player, but IGN Free blow the car and the 2 players were killed. HGB2, he used the meds, but never mind, he was eliminated by team number 7 players there. King RDX, amazing nade, killed 3 players of team number 4 here with only 1 nade. Amazing grenade action coming in from King RDX there. We can actually see a lot of nade actions from the first match as well. Team Kings are using a lot of throwables in today's match, which is day 7 match, and I'm really excited to see their performance in day 8, both matches of day 8, the match 1 and match 2. The match 2, I think, is Sanhok. We will be playing Sanhok in the match 2 of day 8, and the first match, I think it will be Erangel. Usually it's Erangel. So we can see right now that team number 24 players have spotted team number 7 players there, and we are now down to only 3 teams. So hats off to team number 25 who have made their way to #3 here. They could have gone eliminated back where team number 7 players rushed them. I think King RDX, the spray of King RDX actually saved the players. King RDX is on 8 kills. I noticed it right now, and I think he is the kill leader of the match and also the MVP, because we crown MVP to the player with the most kill in the top 3 positions. We crown the MVP to the top 3 players of top 3 teams. So I think the top 3 teams are team number 25, 7 and 24, and King RDX have the most kill amongst all the players here. So I think King RDX is the MVP here and also the kill leader, because he has 8 kills. King Proxy spray coming in from King Proxy. I think he knocked out NBX Fury there, but he will be getting the revive by IGN Fricks. Will be giving the revive to the players. DP Mutant, I think they are on kind of in a high ridge, so they kind of have a high ridge advantage there. DP Mutant have spotted King Proxy there. The shot of Khan 98 is coming in from DP Mutant. Yes, he tagged King Proxy. It was a head tag. King Proxy on 10% health right now, and he will be using some meds. I can actually see King Proxy from under the car. So I think if DP Mutant would have used some assault rifle, some single tap sprays there, he could have get King Proxy there, but never mind. They have knocked a player. King RDX is knocked out. The only player standing is King Proxy for team number 25, but he was eliminated by ISX Clown YT. So team number 7, I think they have kind of disadvantage because 20 or 24 have the cover and also the high ridge advantage, but I don't think there is zone on the high ridge, so they have to move down the zone right now. Team number 7 players are trying to enclose in team number 24 so they can get some advantage there. But DB Mutant, amazing sniping action coming in from DB Mutant here. He knocked out a player of team number 7. DB Mutant is using Kar 98 like crazy here, and we can see the player will be getting the revive and they have to move in the zone. The zone I think have started. No, it will be starting in 30 seconds, and the number 24 players also have to move in the zone because they are kind of out in the zone. So they have to move in the zone right now, so they have to get down the ridge. Trigger OP using some smoke to create a smoke wall there, and I can see a team number 7 player, I think Immortal King. Yes, he is really close to Energy Trigger, so he will be spotting him, and I think he will be getting the knock for his team. Immortal King, yes, the AKM spray coming in from Immortal King knocked out Energy Trigger. Now team number 24 have a disadvantage. DB Mutant is also on a very low HP. Hellstorm, I think he is kind of also in a really bad position right now. 2 players have rushed on Hellstorm here. Hellstorm also gets knocked out by IGN Freak. The only player left is DB Mutant, and I think he is getting sprayed from the right side. He was kind of sandwiched. He was also getting sprayed from the left side as well. So winner chicken dinner for team ISX Clown YT. I think I don't actually, I'm not familiar with the name of the team, so okay, team IGN won the match, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned so you can also watch the day